Hey there, Batman fans. Batman Fan 20 Batman here. Anyways, we're back. Again, you guys can see today, Batman fans. We're back. Welcome back to another unboxing video. And this unboxing video, Batman fans, another flashlight. Yep. This one's the gray flashlight. It looks like, just like the blue one that I got. This looks like the same, but different color. I've done an unboxing of this before, the blue one. Now, we got another flashlight. Let's open this up. Nice. All right. Okay. This is batteries. Got some batteries right here. Energizer Max. AAA batteries. Okay, there we go. There we go. One right there. And one right there. There we go. All right, let's put this in. All right, let's turn this on. Nice. Yep. There we go. This is the gray flashlight, Batman fans. This is the blue one. I've done an unboxing of this one before. Looks the same. Yep. Also have a black one here too. Yep. There you go, Batman fans. If you enjoyed this video, Batman fans, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that bell to turn on all notifications, more videos. Shout out to all the Batman fans out there. Subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. This is your boy Batman Fan 20 Batman. Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy Batman Fan 20 Batman. Here's one more look at the new flashlight here. The gray one. Looks good. Yeah, Batman fans, that's the gray flashlight unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, Batman fans, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that bell to turn on all notifications for more videos. This is your boy Batman Fan 20 Batman. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. This is the gray flashlight unboxing video, Batman fans. This is your boy Batman Fan 20 Batman. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. and I'll see you in the next one. See you, Batman fans.